I lost $262 from this trade today, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to break it down for you so that you can avoid any of the mistakes that I made in your own trading. Welcome back to another 60-second trade review. Real trades, real strategies, real quick. This one is going to be for the stock SMX. As we can see on Friday, this had a bullish move intraday. It then gapped up this morning in the pre-market session, and it was going to be a candidate then for a gap and go. Usually when I'm looking for a gap and go, I want to see that 5-minute opening range breakout, which in this case would be a move above this $2.86 high. So if we go ahead and zoom into the 1-minute chart here, we can see it does move above that breakout level. I buy in for that opening range breakout, but in the $3 to $3.10 range here, we can see it really starts to struggle. There's a few rejections from that 310 level, and that was my first red flag. I actually sold a portion of my shares up into that resistance, but hindsight is 2020. I, of course, should have sold my entire position because it ended up fading from that level and starts to break down then underneath those morning lows, which is where I stop out of the rest of my shares. So the lesson and the takeaway from this trade is to take what the market gives you. In this case, this happened to be a false breakout, and there were plenty of signs here in this 3 to 310 range that this was a false breakout, and I should have sold my position there and locked in my profits. The price action does not lie, and sometimes sticking to your strategy can actually hurt you when the price action is telling you that now is the time to get out. So that was my 60-second recap of this losing trade. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to trade with me in real time and get access to our day trade and swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and even the day trade bootcamp, all of that can be found in the link down below in the description. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.